How to ensure digital evidence is admissible in court. Imagine trying to prove something with a digital file that might have been tampered with or lost. It's like trying to build a house on shaky ground. Knowing how to keep digital evidence solid and trustworthy is key to winning a case. Let's walk through what it takes to make sure digital evidence can stand up in court. First, the evidence must be relevant. That means it has to connect directly to the case. If it doesn't support a claim or defense, it's not going to help. For example, a text message that shows a suspect's location at a crime scene is relevant, but a random email from years ago might not be. Next, authenticity is vital. You need to prove that the digital evidence is what it claims to be. This involves verifying where it came from and that it hasn't been changed. One way is to use cryptographic hash functions, which create a unique digital fingerprint of the data. If even one bit changes, the fingerprint will be different. Metadata, like timestamps and sender information, also helps confirm authenticity. Digital signatures and timestamps can show when and by whom the data was created. Sometimes experts are called in to explain these technical details and confirm that the evidence is genuine. Maintaining integrity is the third piece. This means keeping the evidence in its original from collection through to presentation in court. A chain of custody is a detailed record showing who handled the evidence, when, and how. Using read-many storage devices prevents accidental or intentional changes. Audit logs track every action taken with the digital evidence, creating a clear trail. Collecting and preserving digital evidence requires strict procedures. Always gather the original files along with all metadata intact. Avoid altering files during extraction or analysis. Use forensic tools that are widely accepted and proven to be accurate. Document every step carefully so others can verify your work if needed. Legal standards like the Federal Rules of Evidence guide how digital evidence should be handled. For example, Rule 191 requires evidence to be authenticated. Rule 902 allows certain electronic records to be self-authenticating. Business records can be admitted if they meet specific conditions under Rule 903. Expert witnesses often explain complex digital evidence to judges and juries, making sure everyone understands its significance. In court, attorneys and forensic experts must be ready to address questions about the evidence's handling and authenticity. Clear explanations backed by proper documentation and expert testimony strengthen the case. Following these steps ensures digital evidence is trustworthy, credible, and ready for court. Proper handling, thorough documentation, and adherence to legal rules are what make digital evidence admissible and effective in legal battles.